sunshine friends. Welcome to Cooking with Sully and Riggins. We are going to make nature soup. So we went on a scavenger hunt earlier today and we found some items in nature that I'll share with you, and I'll show you how I make a nature soup. All right, let's see. We found a stick. Sally, right? Well, you were sleeping on the walk, but we found a stick. And we found some tall grass. We found some bark. Riggins said, not telling you to bark, so don't do it. Some more sticks, some leaves. What are these, Sally? Pine cones. And some more bark. A leaf. 1, 2, 3 pine cones. Sally, you dropped this. Here we go. All right, so to make my nature soup, I'm going to break apart the sticks into smaller. Oh, Riggins wants these sticks. He likes to chew on the sticks. And then I think I'll do some sorting. 1, 2, 3 bowls. I'll put all my pine cones in one bowl, sticks in one bowl, and how about leaves in that bowl? We can put our bark together in here. Bark. Okay. And you can sort out, when you make your nature soup, you can sort and count, and you can match. You can look at all the different colors. Most of the colors that I found seem to be brown. Where should I put this grass, you think? Well, maybe I'll just put it in the soup. Okay, so I'm gonna put some grass in there. And I'll put some water and I'll pour it. And then I got out a few things. You could mash up some things. I think I'll mash up some pine cones. Sally, should we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm gonna mash it up. I'm pushing down. I hear the pine cones crunching. And then I'll pour into my soup pine cones. When you make your soup, you can use a little spoon. You can use big spoons. You okay? And you can measure. It's fun to count the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I'll use this one to stir it up. Nature soup. And then I'm going to add some leaves. I'm going to rip these apart. feeling the leaves. They're dry and it's kind of easy to pull them apart. This is my last leaf here. Kind of sounds like paper. All right. I added pine cones, leaves, grass, sticks, water. My last thing is some bark. And there is my nature soup.